Good Morning Construction Site. Written by Alex Sayer. The sun is shining and it's time to say, good morning construction site, it's a brand new day. Good morning dumper truck, it's time to collect your load. Be sure to lock your gate, then it's vroom, off down the road. Good morning excavator, let's start moving that soil. Getting the job done, how very hard you toil. Good morning crane truck, lifting materials so very high. When it is time to help, you're ready to reach for the sky. Good morning bulldozer, you're the best at shifting sand. The construction site has none better when it comes to shaping the land. Good morning concrete mixer, the machine that is always winning. Add the cement, sand and water and start your drum slowly spinning. Such strong and sturdy machines, an impressive and dazzling display. Good morning construction site, now let's get to work today.